All right, here we go. Second ride. We're gonna go for our second ride. Hopefully there's gonna be no rain today. I don't know where we're going. I'm sure he'll tell me. Alright, you want to go by the back here, or go by Felton, then up through the back by the DGL. Alright everyone, here we go. We're going for a ride up to Lennoxville. I'm hoping this is going to sound better than it did yesterday. Because yesterday the sound was no good. I had to just put music over it. We're going around our roundabout. We're going to go up Felton here as we leave our street, our neighborhood. So we'll head over towards Lennoxville, Quebec. Little town, a borough of our town of Sherbrooke here. So yesterday's video, we went all the way up to the end here and turned right to head towards North Taillage. Today we're going to turn left to go towards Lennoxville. Like I said, there was supposed to be rain no rain yesterday, but we got some, so we turned around and came back home. So we'll go. Yesterday we did 40 kilometers. Probably do about the same today. Alright. Dunant Street, Dunant. be coming into Lennoxville here. Up on the right here is going to be Oxford Apartments. For some of you that maybe went to school here, you'll remember these apartments here. Coming up right here on the right. Those are they built a new fire station right here on the right. They're building more apartments for students. And they have the old Oxford building. Oh, Oxford Apartments. Right here on the right. So this is College Street. We're going down the hill. We'll be getting downtown Lennoxville at the bottom of the hill. Bishop's University will be about, once we get to the stop, about a mile ahead. Champlain College also. Not sure on the population of students here. Probably 10,000. I'll look it up, write it at the bottom of the screen. Probably gonna have to get some gas. Got a quarter tank left. Not now, later on. Where are we gonna go? Gonna go straight, go up Molten Hill. Turn in front of Bishop. Downtown Lennoxville, Queen Street, straight ahead. Holiday today, holiday Monday. What they call Patriots Day here in Quebec. That's why you'll see some people out walking around. College is pretty well done. CJEP is not quite done. Champlain College is not quite done, but university is done right now. I think college might finish this week. So we'll check and see how this microphone sounds. I put it up closer to my mouth. Got that load of hay there on the left. So when we get up to University, up here to Bishop's, we'll just turn into the parking lot at Bishop's. I'll just go around there a little bit, show you guys. Okay, Matthew? Right after the bridge here, we'll turn in. So you guys remember this old bridge here right before the Bishop's? Take just a little ride around here, show you guys. Going around the parking lot, around the school, go right. We'll come out over by the gym out back. Yeah, for my second ride on this bike, it's going really well. I've had absolutely no problems whatsoever. I don't know if you can go by there, Matthew, to go to the... No, you can't. Oh, you can turn right here. So you can see on the campus there's nobody around today. No school today. Just riding around the campus here, show you guys, maybe some of you that went to school here remember this place. New building here on the left. Looks really nice. Sports center here on the left. I think these are going to be all dorms here on the right. They built a new road out back here. I think we can maybe take it. It's right here somewhere. We'll take the new road. This comes out right by where the 410, the new 410 finishes, where the end of the 410. 410 is a route that goes from the main highway all the way into the back here, get traffic out of town. That's why they built that. Because as you guys will remember, Lennoxville always had problems with traffic in town. You guys can see those cars over there in the back, further on the right there. Those are all cars that are on the 410, the new route they built to get the traffic out of town. Kind of goes around the town here. The borough, I guess you would call it, the Lennoxville borough. So we'll take the back here, we'll turn left, we're going to go up Molten Hill, we'll come out in the borough of Fleurimont. There's Coulter Field on the left, where the Bishop's football team plays. Yeah, we'll turn here. Go get on Molten Hill on the right. Coming up here is going to be the high school here, the private high school. BCS, go right here. We'll go up here, straight up here. We'll go all the way up to the top of Fleurimont. Bishop College School, BCS. Private school, private high school. Beautiful campus. Matthew's giving the big wave. Look at the nice hedges here on the left and on the right. Look at these big ones right here. They asked us if we'd do them last year. They wanted to pay us $1,500 to do all these hedges that are 22 feet high. They go all around the place. So I said no. I go, that's okay. We're not going to do them for that price. If somebody was trying to subtract, how would you say there? They're trying to hire a company. It was a company that took the job. I don't know how much they took it for, and they couldn't do it, so they were trying to pawn it out to other companies. I said, you can keep it. Nobody's going to trim that for $1,500, and I guess they did find somebody, unless they did it themselves. They went and rented boom vans or boom trucks or boom lifts. Beautiful blue sky today. Not too warm though. I'll take a check at the temperature. It was 13 degrees today, 13, 14. Up here in the rolling hills. I was reading up on these bikes. I saw that in 2013 they decided to put a sixth gear on these. The one that I have has 5 gears. I was reading up on them a bit, see what people thought about them. For someone like myself who has never done any biking, never had a bike, motocross was when I was younger. I had a motocross, a CR125 by Honda, 2-stroke motor back in the day. Then I had a 3-wheeler, 2-stroke, 250R Honda. Old bikes, never got anything new. And when I moved to Sherbrooke, got rid of all that stuff. Had no place because we lived in an apartment. And this is the first time 35 years later, picked up a bike from a client. Client had this bike, been sitting in her garage for the last 5 years. She hadn't used it. And every year I just ask her if she wants to sell it, just let me know. And then last year in November she decided, she said, give me a call in November and said, hey, I'm gonna sell it. So I said, no problem. You want to go straight here, Matthew, or do you want to go left, Fleurimont? We go straight, we go to Ascot Corner. This is Galvin Street here, up in Fleurimont, at the top of Fleurimont. There's a nice C8 Corvette. Nice color. See the leaves are coming out in the trees, everything's starting to look really good. A lot of people still riding around, walking around. Holiday today, like I said. So as you guys can notice, a lot of cedar hedges around. I don't know if that's my phone doing that, Matthew. I might have to pull over and check to see what's going on. Maybe. Can you hear me, Matthew? Yeah. Just my phone was saying stuff there. So we're up in Fleurimont here. Agathe Street. We're gonna have a street that you guys, a lot of you will know here, is Allard Street up here in Fleurimont, the top of Galvin. Got your little convenience store right here on the right. For the up here, the little town convenience store with an ice cream shop. We'll be going all the way down to the bottom here. It'll be Galt Street at the bottom. Galt East, Galt. So this part of town they call Fleurimont. We're still in Sherbrooke, but it's a borough of Fleurimont. Probably a half hour, 25 minutes from the house. The Taillage Street right there on the left. Oh, he's ripping up his lawn. Oh, cut a tree down there. Somebody did. Left it right on the front lawn. They could cut it, but they couldn't pick it up. You get companies like that around here. They can cut it, but they won't pick it up. That's half the job, is picking it up. Half the job is to cut it down, and the other half is to pick it up. Gotta chip all that stuff. So we're gonna be getting down at the bottom here of the Galvin Street. So you see it goes from top to bottom, and if you're at the bottom to the top, you're always going up. No. What am I supposed to? Did you? Well, you waved to everybody for us. Oh, I didn't notice. You can go left if you want. We'll go on Galt Street. If that's what you want. I don't know where you want to go. Alright. No, we'll go left here. So this here is going to be Galt Street. Galt Est. So we had 375 kilometers. How much do you have on your bike now, Matthew? So we did, I think we were at 72, 82, 92. We did 20 kilometers so far. All right. Not too much traffic around. That's good. Galt Street, Galt East, because Galt goes all the way up to where our shop is. This is the longest, probably the longest street in Sherbrooke. If you don't count King Street that goes from one end to the other of town, but this one does too. Notice all the stores are closed. All the pool stores open. Right here on the right, there's a pool store. I have to tell you, Matthew, you really drive a bike. You're doing a really nice job. Did they teach you to drive along the yellow line like that? What's that for? What's the reasoning for driving along the yellow line? Can you hear me? So what's the reason for okay. Okay. Yeah. Yellow. Got the pool truck in front of us from the pool store we just drove by. They're working today because they're seasonal. We're seasonal too, but day off today. All the employees are paid. Forever, we always worked every holiday. We paid employees double, but over the years we've learned that we don't have to do that anymore. Alright, coming up to Bowen Street. Bowen Hospital over here on the right. We got this new big building here. I think for old folks home, not quite sure. Something like that. On the right, beautiful. On the left is going to be a school. High school. We're coming down over the bridge. Downtown Sherbrooke's going to be on the right. Probably can't see it. We're going to be going up over Wellington Street here. Some of you that might remember that. That's restaurants and bars. Alexandre Street right here. La rue Alexandre. The old Alexander Tavern right there. You can go to the one too up on the Belvedere if you want, way up, or we can go to the one on Galt, at the end of Galt. We'll go all the way up Galt Street, all the way. We'll turn and go by the shop, then we'll come out the gas station. I'll put gas. You need gas, you? Oh no, I'm gonna go to the shop, put the bike away. So I don't need to put gas now. I still have 2 little lines. I'll just go put the bike away and I'll grab my pickup. So you got a new big building here going up on the right. The town is doing that. That's going to be for low-income residential apartments. So a lower income part of town here. Coming up to Belvedere Street here. So we're going all along here, King Street. King Street's over on our right here. So it just goes all along the same as King. So what we'll do is we'll scoot up, we'll take Pacific, we'll go down by our shop, I'll put the bike away. We'll call it a day. I'll bring the pickup back home, be back to work tomorrow. police station right here on the right. They built a new, beautiful new place about 4 or 5 years ago. So you can see this is like older part of town right here on this. Yeah, we'll turn up here. Got an old shop here. Used to be an old factory back in the day. Yeah, go by them. Put your flasher off. Got a bike trail here on the right. That's why you see all these people walking and bike. It's a bike path and a walking path. Jacques Cartier Bridge right there. Brings you in over to King Street. This is Roy Street. It goes all along Galt Street. We're like in the older industrial park here. I think in Sherbrooke there's like 6 industrial parks. Your flasher, okay. This is the older one of all of them. That's where we are. Closest one to our house. That's what we built over here. Everyone, pulling up here to the antenna, so that means our shop is going to be right here. Well, that's going to be it. Our second ride number 2. Hope you guys enjoyed that. We'll do some more for you guys. All right. See you guys next one.